Welcome back to Life Improved. Of all the things I've ever bought to have a home office, be able to work from home, this Bezyne laptop table is arguably the best $30 to $40 I have ever spent. So let's take a look. Comes in a pretty nice box. It feels good. Has a single instruction sheet. Comes with the corners foam padded. So on paper, there was a lot to like about this thing. So we're gonna take a look and see how it stacks up. And the other thing I liked about this thing was that it has a storage tray so that we can store a few things in here, glasses, cables, external hard drive. So let's take this thing away from here and let's actually go try it out. Okay, so here we are, the maiden voyage. So we can fold down the legs like so. You'll see it's nice and flat. It's plenty tall, even just on its shortest setting. If you need it taller, I've learned you can actually just pull and it'll adjust. And then when you go back, it'll lock in when you press down on it. So we can hit the switch, push down. So I'll just leave it at the lowest setting right there. It's a little stiff to raise up and down. It's not like super easy, but obviously it can be done, and it's probably better than things being loose. One nice thing is you push these round buttons on the side, and then your desk can tilt and will lock in. So they're independent of each other, so you just want to make sure they're in line. It just stays flat, it doesn't go forward, and it tips. It has 1, 2, 3 settings. Now, because of my setup and my work, it's only within the last couple of years that I've added a laptop for when I need to travel, because I obviously do a lot of video work. I also like using usually a mouse pad. We'll see. A lot of times I work using an external hard drive. What I like about this, as you can see, my laptop has this second screen built in, and when it's on a flat table, it doesn't tilt up enough to be able to see it very well. But being able to angle the desk, I can actually see it really well, and makes me actually like my laptop a lot better. Is probably worth pointing out is, of course, is like a food tray. I know that's kind of a funny thing. Obviously, people would do that. So here I will dismantle my whole setup, like I just said. A little on the tall side for what I would typically probably like, or what I would think I would like. But if you're using it as a food tray, it's pretty good height. And if you're putting your phone in, for a phone, it would only work in the center, but like I said, you still have the issue of tipping. And then horizontal, you could, if you really wanted to, you could run it up through the hole right here to keep things a little bit more tidy. I would probably not be that, take the time to do that, because then you've tethered your desk with the cable and your phone. And so I'd probably just run the cable up and plug it in, but that's just me. So this is a pretty nice desk. I'm really looking forward to getting to use it, and for real, and not just for video purposes today. But I think it's gonna be just a really solid setup. And if you would like to get your own, we have a link in the description below. So be sure to check that out. You can use that to support us at no extra cost to you. It's always appreciated because it helps us continue to make videos and do things, find products that help improve our lives. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like. If you'd like to see more videos about products that can help improve your life, be sure to hit subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.